Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Learn with Mufaza. In today's video, we will see data manipulation with Pandas. First, let's see what is data manipulation. Data manipulation is the process of transforming raw data into a structured and usable format for analysis. And also, it involves cleaning, organizing, and modifying data to uncover patterns, extract insights, or prepare it for further analysis or modeling. Next, let's see about key steps in data manipulation. First one is cleaning the data. It involves removing duplicates, handling missing values, and correcting the errors. Next one is organizing the data. Organizing data involves sorting and arranging data in a specific order for easy interpretation. And the next one is filtering the data. Filtering involves selecting specific columns or rows of data set based on some conditions. And then transforming the data. It involves adding new columns, rows, and modifying existing columns and rows and reshaping the data set. And the last one is summarizing the data. Summarizing the data means calculating aggregates like sum, average, count, or mean like things to understand the data trends. Next, let's see about data manipulation with Python, how to code and how to clean, remove duplicates and those kind of things using Jupyter Notebook. Before starting, we will see what is Pandas. Pandas is a powerful Python library used for working with structured data like tables and spreadsheets. It allows us to clean, organize, analyze, and visualize data efficiently. And it's widely used in data science, machine learning, and analytics. Here are some reasons why Pandas is so popular. It has data structures, like it provides two main structures. First one is series, it is for one-dimensional data, and the next one is DataFrame, it is for two-dimensional data, like tabular data, and it is very easy of use. It simplifies working with data by offering intuitive commands for common tasks like filtering, sorting, and grouping. And integrations. Pandas integrates seamlessly with other Python libraries like NumPy, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn. First, go to your folder where you want to save the works and type cmd in the address bar, and you will get a command prompt and then type python-m jupyterlab, or you can use Jupyter Notebook. You can simply type Jupyter Notebook. Then you will get the Jupyter Notebook in your default web browser. After that, click Files and click New, and then you will get new notebook, and you can save the notebook by any suitable name. Here I'm going to save like a data manipulation with Pandas. After saving, let's start coding by importing Pandas. Now I'm import Pandas as PD. Instead of PD, you can use any variable name and run. If you run, you will see 1. Otherwise, you will get any error if you have any error. Next, let's load the data. Before loading the data, first you have to get the file name. Here you can copy the file name and the extension. The extension can be .csv. You can right click and properties and you can see .csv. It is the file extension. And now I am opening the data set just to show you what is in. There are many columns and you can see some empty set like blanks. So before start doing anything, you have to clean those data. So we have to clean. Let's see how to do those things. First we have to import the data. I'm defining a variable data. You can use any name and I'm calling Pandas because loading the CSV file are a facility from Pandas. So pd.read underscore CSV, all letters should be in simple letter and the correct file name and extension. Here all data has been loaded correctly. And then I'm going to convert my data file into a data frame, which is data frame means two-dimensional data like a table. So you can use df or any other variable name. Let's check shape. df.shape means you will get how many rows and columns are there in your data set. Now I'm going to check whether the data has duplicates or not. So df.duplicated. So in this coding you can't actually see all the data whether there is duplicates or not. So I'm going to use a variable like duplicates. You can use any variable name and equal df under square brackets df.duplicated, and then I'm going to print duplicate. Now you will see actual duplicated values. So I have like 7 duplicate values. So we will remove those things. So I'm going to remove like df.drop duplicates, but when I just run df.drop duplicates, it's still in your data. So I'm going to use in place equal true under df.drop duplicates. Then only the data will be actually removed from the data set. After removing the duplicate values, let's check the shape again. So here you can see the rows has been reduced from 1505 to 1498. Next, let's check whether there is a null values like empties in your dataset. So for that you have to use df.isNull and you can see some values, but you can't see all the things. So I am using df.isNull.sum. So you can see the sum of values. After that, I am going to remove the null values from the data set. For that, I am going to use df.drop_NA. So you can use df.drop_NA to remove all the rows with null values. Now I am again running the isNull.sum. Same thing happens. So I am going to use df.drop_NA with in place equal true. Then only the actual null values will be removed from the data set. Again the shape will be reduced. Here you can see 1484. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.